Hello students, how are you? Here in this class we are going to start summary of chapter 10 and the name of that chapter is The Proposal, that is written by famous writer Anton Chekhov. As you know that this play is in the form of a farce and the farce means a play that is written in a humorous way. एक तरीके का ये प्ले होता है जिसे ह्यूमरस वे में राइट किया जाता है, मीन्स हंसी मजाक के तरीके से राइट किया जाता है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द समरी पार्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर द प्रपोजल. ओके, so first of all I want to tell you students, the play revolves around three characters and the name of those three characters are Chubukov, who is a landlord, his daughter Natalia, who is 25 years old, and their neighbor Lumov, who is 35 years old. Okay, so the play revolves around या फिर the play describes three character and incidents related to their life. And students, these three characters are Chubukov, Chubukov's daughter Natalia, and their neighbor, and the name of their neighbor is Lumov. Okay, so the story revolves around three characters and these three characters are Chubukov, his daughter Natalia, and their neighbor Lumov. Now I want to tell you about Chubukov. Chubukov is a लैंड ओनर. ओके, चुबुकोव क्या है? ओके, Natalia is 25 years old and Lumov is 35 years old. Lumov is 35 years old. Now, in this story, I want to tell you, Lumov, their neighbor, comes to Chubukov's house, okay, and in a dress, in a formal dress नहीं, वो एक ऐसी ड्रेस पहनकर आता है, पार्टी वेयर ड्रेस पहनकर आता है. So Chubukov enters the house of Lumov enters the house of Chubukov. Okay, and yes, one thing is there, Chubukov is extremely happy to meet Lumov, but he is surprised कि why he is at his home in the evening dress. Okay, वो evening dress में इस तरीके की ड्रेस अप करके क्यों उसके घर पे आया है. So the next part is Lumov comes Chubukov's house in evening dress. Chubukov is surprised. Chubukov is surprised why he is in an evening ड्रेस. ओके, वो इवनिंग ड्रेस क्यों पहनकर आया है. Okay, and Chubukov asked the reason. Chubukov asked the reason of his coming, and Lumov said that, Lumov कहता है, and Lumov said that he is here for a special reason. For a special reason. वो किसी स्पेशल रीजन से वहां पर आया है. Chubukov thinks that if he has come to borrow money, अगर वो पैसा लेने के लिए आया है, if he has come to borrow money, then he is not going to give any. उसे लगता है कि अगर लुमोव उसके घर पे पैसे लेने के लिए आया है तो वो उसे किसी भी हालत में पैसे उधार देने वाला नहीं है. Now let's see what happened in the story. Later on, Lumov said that no, he has come with a marriage proposal to his daughter Natalia. Later on, Lumov said that he has come with a marriage proposal for his daughter. ओके, वो कहता है कि वो उसकी बेटी के लिए, नेतल्या के लिए एक मैरिज प्रपोजल लेकर आया है. आफ्टर हियरिंग दिस वर्ड्स, चुबुकोव गेट्स वेरी हैप्पी. आफ्टर हियरिंग दीज वर्ड्स, इन शब्दों को सुनकर चुबुकोव बहुत खुश हो जाता है. These words, Chubukov gets very happy. वो बहुत खुश हो जाता है. And said that और कहा, and said that Lumov, you are like my own son. तुम तो मेरे अपने बेटे की तरह हो. देखो कितना थॉट प्रोसेस में चेंज होता है चुबुकोव की. जब उसे लगता है कि इवनिंग ड्रेस के में पहन कर आया है, कुछ स्पेशल रीजन के लिए आया है, तो एकदम उसके माइंड में एक बात स्ट्राइक करती है, अरे ये पैसे उधार लेने के लिए आया होगा, एंड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव हिम एनी मनी. मैं उसे कोई पैसा देने वाला नहीं हूं. बट लेटर ऑन लुमोव सेड दैट नो, he is there for wedding proposal for his daughter Natalia. At that time, Chubukov gets very happy and said that, oh, you are like my own son. तुम तो मेरे अपने बेटे की तरह हो. And now sit down and I am going to call Natalia. Chubukov said that. Chubukov ने कहा कि okay, I'm going to call Natalia. मैं किसको बुलाने के लिए जाता हूं? नेतल्या को. Later on we see in the summary part, Natalia comes and conversation starts between Lumov and Natalia. During conversation, during conversation, Lomov mentions that Oxen Meadows belongs to him. On hearing these words, Natalia said that no, these oxen meadows are ours. Natalia said that no, these oxen meadows are ours. ये oxen meadows तो हमारी हैं. In this way, argument starts between Lomov and Natalia. Argument starts between Lomov and Natalia. इस तरीके से लोमोव और नेतल्या के बीच में आर्ग्यूमेंट स्टार्ट हो जाता है. ओके, सो रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ समरी विल डिस्कस इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, गॉड ब्लेस यू.